Hi, it's Kevin Dolan at ClientCloningsystems.com with a word from Peter Drucker that you should listen to because he's one of the smartest humans ever. Peter Drucker said, the purpose of business is to create a customer. So when your marketing is working, when it's bringing in new customers to your business, what are you doing with them? You have to think of the bigger picture. I have a client, we did a promotion last week, a couple of emails, brought in about $10,000 in DVD sales, which was great. But then I asked my client, what are you doing with all the new customers we're bringing in? And she really didn't have an answer to that. I said, could you make a voice broadcast, for example? Could you drop some direct mail, which I can write for you? And she said yes. So long story short, we're probably going to double or triple that $10,000 very easily because we're looking at the big picture. We've created customers for her business, and now we're going to fully service them. We're going to plug them into her whole entire marketing program, and everyone's going to benefit. So when your marketing is working, when you're bringing in new customers to your business, huzzah, congratulations. That's the purpose of your business. That's the purpose of your marketing. But then think of the bigger picture. What are you doing to fully service those new customers that you're bringing in? Never be satisfied with a successful promotion. Always be thinking of what you're doing to fully service those new customers that you're creating. And when you do that, you're fulfilling the purpose of your business and you're helping everybody out. So I hope you like this idea. What do you think of it? Please comment below and share. And thanks for watching.